I am working with these little pictures from the Dollar Tree. And if you have light colored walls like I do at the place that I'm in, then you may not be able to see this very well. And so what I'm gonna try to do is just make a little adjustment to it to make it pop and make it look as though it did not come straight from the Dollar Tree, but you know that most of my videos are Dollar Tree videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of this painter's tape, and you can use any kind of tape that you have. I want the frame to get paint on it. I want it to stay the same color that it is. So what I'm gonna do is just tape off the actual frame and leave the rest of it So I've gone ahead and taped it as I showed you, and then I taped these edges also. I could have used some newspaper or something like that, but I was just being lazy, so I taped it up. So you can use any color that you like or that matches your decor to spray paint it. I'm gonna try and do this in 2 different colors so you all can get an idea of what it would look like. And the first one I wanna do is a pink. I'm gonna use this Krylon, what is this one called? This is the Ballet Slipper Satin. So I'm gonna use this one. You can use any color except for white. Obviously, if you use white, you're not gonna be able to see anything. It's just gonna, you know, go away. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint the back side of this. You can just take any type of cardboard box or, you know, anything that you have, newspaper or whatever you have. Make sure you are spraying the back side of it. And I'm gonna give this 1 coat, let it dry, and then give it a 2nd coat. Okay, I decided to try a really dark color also to see how that would look. So I did do a black, and I used the Krylon paint also, flat black Krylon Color Master. And in all my videos, if you look down below the video in the description box, it'll always show you what I'm using, what supplies I'm using. So that's that. Oh, here come my children. So they're still drying, and I just want to show you how they turned out. So I really love the pink. You can tell this is a really pretty color. This is much more subtle. Oh, let me see. Okay. This one turned out much more subtle and dreamy-like. It's really, really pretty, but wait until I show you how the black turned out. It really, really transformed beautifully. And those of you who've been watching my channel for a while know that I love black. So look at that one. It turned out, I mean, drastically different. So this does not look like something from the Dollar Tree anymore. Now I want to add some other embellishments to this. So I'm gonna let them dry, and then I will come back and add something and see if we can take it up another notch. But you could stop right here. I mean, these look good the way that they are. If you don't want to do anything else to it, you don't have to. So I think that they're pretty. Y'all go ahead and let me know what you think, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with 2 of your friends. All right, I'll be right back. So I get questions about this tool that I'm using all the time, and this is the Pick Me Up tool. And what you can do with this is use it to pick up your jewels or whatever it is that you're using. And once you place it down onto the glue, it will stay there. It'll keep you from having to use your hand to pick up everything individually. And let me show you. So once you put your glue down, and then you put the gem down, then you can use this side to maneuver it if you need to move it around. This opens up, and it has like a pointed part to it, or it has this flat part, which is what I always use, is the flat one. These can be purchased on Amazon. I always leave a description of everything I'm using down below in the description box. And if you purchase this, anytime you use the link that goes to Amazon, even if you're not purchasing this, it does go to support my channel. But if you're looking for this, you can go to that link below, and it's very handy, and it's only a few dollars. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna do this. So I've already decided that to keep this even, I am going to start at the bottom, go to the top, and then go to the middle. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna treat this as the middle so that I can keep everything even, and then middle and middle. So wherever I start, I'm gonna start at the end and go to the middle. And that way everything will be even. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna add, I think, another embellishment to this and see what y'all think about it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already subscribed to the channel, and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've worked with these or if you plan on working with these. I just thought they were really, really pretty. Okay, so this is what it's looking like once I've gotten all the pearls in place. Now, what I was thinking was, I like it just the way that it is. This is more to my liking because I like more modern. However, if you want to, you can go and add, I think I got these flowers at the Dollar Tree. You can go and add some flowers to it if you'd like. And you see what that looks like. Now, for the purposes of the pictures, these flowers will probably be on there, and all you have to do is cut this little part off the back and just glue it on. And hot glue is very forgiving, so I'm probably gonna put these on just for the purposes of the pictures, but for myself, I like it the way that it is. Now, you could do the same thing with this one if you wanted to, and you know, put the pearls on it. But when I added the pearls to this one, I didn't think it looked as good. This one's more dramatic, and it made a bigger change to it because I used a dark color instead of a light color, but the pearls just didn't seem to do it for this one. So you could also use glitter. I'm just giving you some options. You could go around the edge of the frame with the black glitter. I think that would be pretty. However, I wanted to make this a quick video, so I am going to use these little kids beaded necklaces that I love to use, that you've probably seen me use before if you've been on my channel for any length of time. I don't know why, I just really think these are fun and easy to use. So I'm deciding to put it right in the middle. And I don't think it's necessary to glue every single bead, and I don't want it to be seen. I don't want the hot glue to be seen. So I'm just gonna see where the bead is probably gonna fall, and then just glue down, you know, a few. And you can always go back and add some glue if you'd like. So I'm gonna just go all the way around with these, and you see how that catches the light, and all of a sudden this doesn't look like a Dollar Tree sign anymore. However, it is from the Dollar Tree. So if you get to a part where you've run out of necklace, that's okay. I've got some extra pieces over here from other projects. You just go in and see where you need to cut off, and just add them in. These little beaded necklaces are very forgiving and easy to work with. So you just fill in the spot however you need to. And like I said, it's very forgiving. So here's what they look like fully completed. And as you can see, this only took a few minutes, and I think they turned out pretty. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll know whenever I'm posting a new video. And let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. The black one, it's very simple, but I think that with the beaded necklace, it catches the light. And I don't think these look like they came from the Dollar Tree any longer. So I hope you've liked this video, and I hope to see you again next time here at Same Chick Different Day. Thanks so much for joining me, and wait till the end of the video. There's some other videos that you might be interested in, and at the end it'll make suggestions for you. So thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye, my beautiful people.